Hello there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in helping people with Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits that they should receive under that law. Today, I want to talk to you about whether you can get workers' compensation out of your life. Before we get to that topic, let's talk about why you might want to do that. I talk to many people who would like to get workers' compensation out of their life. It's usually for one of a few different reasons. One is dealing with workers' compensation insurance company can be frustrating. They try to control what medical treatment you can get. They may not authorize your medical treatment. They don't send your workers' compensation checks on time sometimes. And they pretty much try to control a lot of different facets of your life. So you may just want to be done with them. So can you get workers' compensation out of your life? Yes, you can do that in a Georgia workers' compensation case. The main way that you can do that is through settlement of your workers' compensation case. That's really the only way that you can officially end your Georgia workers' compensation case. What settlement generally involves is some negotiation with the insurance company where you end up agreeing to receive a lump sum amount of money, and in exchange you give up your future workers' compensation rights. One of the most important things that you need to understand about settlement in a Georgia workers' compensation case is that settlement has to be approved by the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation. So now we've indicated that you can get workers' compensation out of your life, but the bigger question is whether you should do that or not. As I mentioned, workers' compensation settlements in Georgia have to be approved by the State Board of Workers' Compensation. Once those settlements are agreed upon, signed, and approved by the Workers' Compensation Board, they're generally final. It's really difficult, if not impossible, to undo them. And that means you need to really seriously consider whether it is a good idea to settle your case before you move forward with the settlement. There could be several reasons that you might not want to settle your case right now. You might end up settling your case for less money than you should because you're not thinking about what future medical treatment you may need or how long you'll be out of work, or maybe it's just too early in your case to tell those things. And so you may not be able to make a good decision about settlement of your case right now. One thing I would certainly urge you to consider doing if you are thinking about settlement is to contact a workers' compensation attorney before making that decision about settlement of your case. You may be able to speak with the attorney and get some information about what you should settle your case for and whether now is a good time to even look at settlement or not. I hope you found this information in this video helpful. If you have, please let me know that. One of the best ways you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you've got more questions about workers' compensation or like to set up a time with me to talk to me about those questions, I'd be happy to set up a free consultation with you about your case. There's two easy ways you can get that consultation scheduled. One is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, and the other is by reaching out to us through our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. You can click on and submit the free consultation request form there, and a member of our workers' compensation team will speak with you and get a consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.